Hi, this is Bye Money, and this video will be going over the configurations for the two-legged pullback indicator. If you go to the indicator window and select the two-legged pullback indicator, you can go into the settings. And in these settings, you can see all the configurations we have for the two-legged pullback indicator. In the first section, we can set up the alerts. The alerts you can check on and off for upcoming second entries or two-legged pullbacks. Also alerts for upcoming traps. You can also set which sound file you like to play for each of these alerts. Not only that, you can set how many points away you want the alert to trigger before the second entry or the trap happens. And remember, it happens before these are triggered. So you can walk away from your computer or not pay attention and look at the charts when you hear the alerts. The next section, we see that there is a help section. This setting simply gives you more information on the charts with the indicator. I'll press OK here, apply this. You can see on the bottom left, settings for the indicator. We can see that it's a color code for the indicator, tells you all the colors and what they mean. And not only that, tells you the current tick size for whichever instrument you're using. So if you're using forex charts or other commodities, you can also see the tick size here. The next section goes over the indicator behavior. You can choose which point size you would like for the scalp to happen. This helps calculate scalps for traps for the indicator to use. The two-legged pullback indicator has a setting to allow outside bar reversals. What are outside bar reversals? An outside bar reversal is when a reversal happens with an outside bar. Let's take a look at this chart. We can see here that there was a two-legged pullback. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, and we see here a second entry. We see that when this candle broke the previous candle's high, that it triggered a dark green number, which is a second entry. But then notice that this candle also has a number above it. That means within the same candle, there was not only one reversal, but there was another reversal. And this is an outside bar reversal. Within the same candle, it broke up and then reversed to the other side, breaking below the low of the previous candle. We see right here. And when it does so, we can see that the indicator identifies this with a dark red number, showing you that this is also a second entry short within the same bar. So within this one bar, you had both a second entry long and also a second entry short. But notice that there's also a magenta box because this second entry long failed to make a scalper's profit. And so within this one bar, we had both a reversal up and then another reversal down. So we have here an outside bar reversal. This is also called a hidden second entry. Let's look at another example. Here we see there was a two-legged pullback. We have one pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry, as we can see with a dark green number here. But within the same bar, the price reversed and broke below the prior candle's low, creating another reversal, an outside bar reversal within the same bar. And we can see that when this created the reversal, that the indicator now identifies that with a dark green or dark red number and with a magenta box, again because this was a second entry. And so here again we have an outside bar reversal. This setting is for those who like to trade the outside bar reversal. Let's look at the same chart, but let's remove the outside bar reversal setting. Here I'll unclick the outside bar reversal. And once I press OK, you can see that now the outside bar right here doesn't have the reversal. It only has one number. Here we can see the two-legged pullback. A, B, C, sorry, right here. And it created the second entry right there. But notice that even though this candle reversed, this outside bar does not detect the second entry. That's because we disabled the setting to allow outside bar reversals. And we can see here that the count continues on the next bar after the outside bar. And we can see the same setting here, same thing here with the setting, that we see that the reversal doesn't happen until after the outside bar. And so that is an outside bar reversal, also known as a hidden entry. The next section goes over all of the look and feel of the indicator. You can change now all the text sizes of all the numbers here. You can also choose how far away you want these numbers to appear from the chart. Currently, this is 3 ticks away from the high and the lows. If you made this number bigger, then this number goes further away. As I'll demonstrate, I'll change this to 10. Currently it's at 3. I'll change it to 10. If I change it to 10, you can see now the numbers appear further away from the charts or from the candles. Bring it back to 3. The text size is self-explanatory. You can also change all the colors of all the numbers of what you like. Many people ask about this, but what is a perfect scalp? The perfect scalp is simply a indication for the indicator to tell you when a perfect scalp happens. A perfect scalp is when a swing goes exactly 5 ticks. As you can see here, there is a golden box. That's because this swing before this golden box went exactly 5 ticks. So we see we're at the 50 and we ended at the 75, which is 5 ticks. The reason why this is good information is because this could potentially act also as a trap. Because when a perfect scalp is made, most likely there are still trap traders holding their positions. There are also settings to change the super signal's appearance. You can show the tick count by clicking the countdown. If you uncheck it, you can see here that now the countdown disappears. I'll turn it back on again. You can also choose the text size just for the super signal. So if I wanted to make it larger, I can make it larger. You can see all the text grows. Bring it back to 12. You can also change the color of the tick count for those who like to have different color backgrounds and like to have different colors. You can make it white. You can make it this purple color. You can make it whatever color you would like. You can also show the current value of where the super signal is, because the super signal is always placed where the stop entry should be. So if I press apply here, you can see here now another number. This is the price where the super signal is. This is helpful for those who like to trade off the DOM. That's it for the settings and configurations for the two-legged pullback indicator. Hope this has been helpful.